Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we left California, we had this great idea of visiting as many theme parks as we can in the middle of August with children because we don't know if or when we'll be back to California. So we wanted them to have some memories here. We went to Sesame Street, SeaWorld, Disneyland, and at the end decided to surprise Grandma with tickets to Universal Studios Hollywood. Now, I'm not going to be one of the 1,000 people on here talking about all the mistakes you can make at theme parks, but if you can just remember one mistake to avoid, don't go here in August. Besides it being really hot and our last theme park on the list, we also found it not as kids friendly as we expected. I should mention small kids ages 4, 5, 6 years old. Unfortunately, our girls were scared of pretty much everything. It also didn't help that they were getting ready for Halloween, so Hulk was walking around, there were scary decorations up already. Thank God for the Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash and for Outdoor Area Super Silly Funland for saving the day.
Wow, you puppies smell like churros and popcorn. Man, you're making me hungry.
The Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash is a fun ride where you're transformed into puppies exploring the streets of New York. Super Silly Funland is an outdoor area which includes wet and dry zones where we climbed, jumped, and enjoyed the carousel.
Come on.
This was day one of our 2-day adventure here, but don't go anywhere. We're dropping off kids at home and coming right back to show you all the really cool stuff here at Universal Studios Hollywood. That is our second day and we are alone.
No kids. It feels weird.
Doing grown-up stuff.
Yeah.
For the next 2 minutes, enjoy the actual locations where Hollywood magic happens. This tour will take you through many recognizable film sets. Make sure you take a ride on a studio tour when you visit Universal Studios Hollywood.
What's up, Norman? Good morning. How are you? Oh, no. Put that thing away. No, Norman, stop it. Stop it. No. Do not get...
we wanted to share a few seconds of the amazing Waterworld. It's been running since the film's release in 1995 and it's still Finn's favorite. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and supporting us. And we'll see you next Sunday. Bye!